5 things changed on TradeSmart. Most of them remove an extra step that you are doing manually. So let me take you through all 5 of them. So let's start with the biggest one. You have a plan, and when the market moves, you are not there. The plan is not followed. SmartAlgo is the fix. It is an algo trading platform. You will find it on mobile app as well as web. It is built right into TradeSmart. You can access it from the SmartAlgo tab, which is present on both these platforms. Open SmartAlgo. You describe your rules in plain words: entry, exit, stop loss. The builder will make a working strategy for you. No coding required at any point. If you don't want to build one strategy, we also have a marketplace of ready-made strategies, which can be customized as well. Before going live, backtest and forward test your strategy. Backtesting runs your rules against historic data, whereas forward testing runs your rules against live data. Remember that both are not using real money. Neither tells you what will happen next. They only tell you if your rules are working as per intended. So that is the whole point of SmartAlgo. No code, just your strategy. Now, if you're a person who likes trading from charts, the next update is for you. If you already do your analysis on TradingView charts, you no longer have to switch apps to act on it. You can now easily place, enter or exit trades easily from the chart window. The order ticket sits on the chart itself. Whether it is the stop loss line or the target line, you can easily track them and it will update easily. If you're watching this on your phone, download the latest TradeSmart app now. So let's go to the third update. You've been watching a level for an hour. Step away for 5 minutes, and when you come back, you realize that the market has reached this level. Alert trigger order fixes that. You set a price condition, and when these conditions are met, the system will place the order for you. Say you want to buy only if the price has reached above a certain level that you have marked. Mark this level as the condition. The system will fire the order for you on your behalf whenever the condition has been met. The alert not just pings the phone and waits. The alert and the order both are a single instruction. To use this feature, go to the watch list and select any script that you like. From there, click on the Create ATO option and use this feature easily. Let's move to the fourth update. Scalper is the one-screen order window for intraday options trading, and it has been rebuilt. Quicker loading, smoother navigation, and fewer taps. We have also improved how the platform reacts to weak internet connection. The fifth update is about the moment you need a helping hand. Until now, whenever there was a problem mid-session, it meant leaving the app, finding a number, and then calling. This is not the right way to react, especially when you have a position open in the market. You can now easily access the chat, calling, and email option from the TradeSmart app itself. To access these features, you can just go to the menu section. There are few other changes as well. If you use API, you can now generate both the app key and secret key from TradeSmart web itself. You can also switch on the FNO order quantity in the web settings. So whenever you place an FNO order, the system will remember the order size you had last used. This helps to make the life easy for the trader. Coming soon, we are also having a wonderful feature known as the kill switch, which will help you stop trading across all the segments in one go. So these were the 5 updates. Update the app, log in and try it.